What's going on, guys? I think we need to take a look at AI stock. If any of you guys have been trading it, last 2 days, absolutely fantastic days. So we're going to do a macro kind of overview picture here, looking at the daily time frame, kind of seeing exactly where we pulled back from when we hit those highs of that $44.02 just a few days ago. So if you guys noticed here on the 26th, we actually gapped up into this area here and put in a very, very big, powerful candle all the way up to $42. And then had that slight pullback to the Bollinger Band before the gap down. Now, one thing that I do kind of want to point out here is anything AI is, realistically been absolutely on fire. Earnings reports where conference calls start mentioning that, the words AI and things start to explode. So you kind of understand, where exactly we're coming from. It was EVs, it was speculation and growth names, and it looks like this year and probably for the foreseeable future will be a lot of these AI names. So they're definitely going to be names that you're going to want to keep in mind and definitely keep on your watch list on a day in and day out basis. Now, this pullback here did pull back into our rising 10-day moving average. We have yet to close under the 10-day moving average. That 10-day moving average right now currently is sitting at $34. So we have a hard support at $34. We also have support at $33.35. If you are long, it is a hold. Now, definitely, if you did snag some down below this breakdown, below the 10-day moving average, anywhere between a price of $30 and let's call it $32, $33, you are definitely in the money if you're playing options contracts. Hopefully you guys have scaled out and taken some profits, because you can never go broke taking profits. I don't care what anyone tells you guys. No profits are ever too small. So definitely coming off that bottom there, you can see we're about 8-9 points higher from the absolute bottom here just in the last 3 to 4 days. So definitely scale off, take some profits here. Now we do have more room to go before we hit the next supply zone. Next supply zone is going to be sitting at around 42.30. So if you're currently long and you're swinging this overnight, where's your potential? Where could we be heading? Potentially $41, $42. It would be then at that time would be very, very smart to scale off and take some more profits there and then hold a piece of that to see if we can target this $44 and beyond. If we can get above the $44 and beyond, then this thing can really start to stretch here. As long as we don't close below $33, I think we're okay. Now, if we close below $33, then that's when you're going to want to not start shorting the stock, but just understand that we have room to come down between $33 all the way down to our next hard support, which is $28, $29 at the rising 20-day moving average. So how are we going to play this going into tomorrow? What we're going to do is sit back and be patient. We're going to wait for the level of 38.85 to confirm, and then we're going to go ahead and get long here. And like I said, we're going to target that $40, $41, $42 as long as we can stay above this 5-day moving average, which is currently sitting at $35, $36. I'm comfortable holding that position. Now, if you're looking for smaller levels on an intraday basis, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame here. You can see today we got over this channel level here. This is called a linear regression channel. If you guys are not familiar with it, I have these channel levels on here to kind of give us a guide. You can notice every time we come to the bottom of the channel, we tend to bounce back up into the middle. And when we confirm the next channel level, we tend to consolidate before moving back up to the middle or the top. The top of this channel is going to be sitting at that $44. You can see our most recent highs here, $47.10. So what we're looking for here is that $38.86, and I want to get long in that area. We've got a lot of room to stretch. I will be selling for profits in and on the way up. So just keep that in mind. Now, for all scalpers, people who like to play both sides of the market, you're going to have a little bit of a scalp position here below 37.69. Expect it to be choppy. You might get stopped out. Your next support is going to be around 36.50. So you do have about $1 worth of room there that you can maybe potentially try to get in for a little bit of a short position. But other than that, I would kind of stay away from the shorts until we lose $31.57. Right now, it's kind of just buy and hold. Let's just hold this. Let's ride it. Let's continue to cash in on this wave. And I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys do like this type of video and you want to trade with me each and every single day live, make sure to join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I do live technical analysis each and every single day. And I'll see you guys on the next one.